If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Ford EcoSport SE in black. With HID headlamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6922.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.